Good morning everyone. Today we're doing Q3 DSG and this car is 2019 and you can see the customer is complaining on this car. This car is showing transmissions emergency mode, goes in emergency mode and it skips the even gears. 1, 2, 3, 5 is skipping the things on there, and the engine light is on, and when the car is switch it off, switch it on and then drive, then the car drives okay for like 5-10 miles, and then same again the code will come back, and the problem is saying transmission emergency mode, stop the vehicles. So we're going to diagnose this car and we're gonna tell you what is the exactly code is coming on this one. So you're gonna see what code is coming. If you have the code like that, because this one is the gearbox they're using on DQ381 gearbox, same like VW, like a Tiguan, e-tron, Skoda, Octavia, they're using same gearbox on there, and that's why the problem is all the car have same problem. We go to the transmission and then you're going to see what code is coming on there, and then I'm going to tell you what we can on this. If you can see here, DQ381 gearbox, if you can see, this one is DQ381, yeah, that's the gearbox, and we're gonna go through in read codes. You can see here is saying P173600 position clutch, position sensor for clutch 2 electrical malfunction. That's the basically problem in all these gearboxes, and some cars have P173600, some cars have P17300 position sensors for clutch 1 electrical malfunction. Basically the DSG unit inside they put DQ381 mechatronics unit, and the unit goes faulty, inside the pressure sensors goes faulty. So we refurbish the unit and we calibrate the clutches, basic settings and new filters, oil change. And if you have the problem is like that, you have to bring the car to us and then we can refurbish your unit, and car will be ready 3 to 4 hours. And you can check my other videos because we mention all other cars as well. And we are in Hounslow. My postcode is Tango Whiskey 33 Tango Tango, and you can contact me anytime on WhatsApp. And you can see my review, Hounslow Motor Limited, TW33 Tango Tango 167 Hanmouth Road, Hounslow. We are near Heathrow, London. So my phone number is 07402536382. So this is my code, and you can contact me through WhatsApp or you can call me. Sometime my phone goes busy, but we will come back, and you can text me, send me the picture of the error code, and then we're gonna sort it out your problem, and car will be fixed same day. Thanks for watching my video, and if you have any problem you can contact me. Thank you. My name is Terry and you can call me anytime. Thanks for watching. Bye.